We put this together like 2 months ago, so we're going to use it here for Winter Field Day today. So we're getting ready to string this baby up.
What band is that?
This is supposed to be 160 meters all the way up to 10 meters, 6 meters. Okay, after a little bit of time out here on Winter Field Day 2022, We have the 160 meter dipole finally set up. This is one end of it. Not sure the camera's going to too well pick up the wire, but we'll go over to where the middle is. We also have up there the, I think it's a 32-inch Tram model 1477 dual band antenna at the top of that mast. So this would be the center of the dipole as well as the antenna. We got the coax chokes at the bottom here, and then we got the coax running into the garage where we have the station set up. And then if we keep going down the laneway, the other end of the 160 meter dipole, and we got all of our guy wires tied out. It is 22 degrees with some close to 20-mile-an-hour wind chills today for this. And as we go inside, we have the table set up, indoor operations underway. We got Jim over here looking up stuff on his laptop. Say hi, Jim.
Hey, how's it going?
We have all of our gear here. Move your coffee cup there, Jim. We have Jim's on the air sign.
The most important piece. Can't transmit without it.
Jim's over here running the Yaesu FT-891. We have an Icom 5100 hooked up at this moment. The 718 is not operational yet. And Rob's over here with an Icom 7100 tuned into 40 meters. I can barely hear her now. I did. Kilo Charlie 2, that's New York.
QSL, the 1 Hotel Quebec Charlie, Merced Beaucoup 73, and good luck, Kilo 4, Yankee Tango Whiskey 3, Alpha Charlie Hotel. Alpha Charlie Hotel.
Look at this.
Well, that...
73, and good luck, Kilo 4, Yankee Tango Zulu. November 8, Quebec. Ending Charlie Golf. November 2, Charlie Golf, 2 Hotel Sierra Charlie.
Come on, man, I'm burning film. You gotta nail this one down.
Hotel Mike India got you in the log, 73. Good luck, Kilo 4, Yankee Tango Zulu, field desk.
Romeo Tango Oscar.
Romeo. Victor America, ending Romeo. Come again? Ending Romeo?
Romeo Tango Oscar.
All right, Romeo Tango Oscar. Give me the full call.
Kilo Charlie 3, Romeo Tango Oscar.
Kilo Charlie 3, Romeo Tango Oscar, 2 Hotel Sierra Charlie.
2 Hotel Sierra Charlie.
1 India Whiskey Papa Alpha.
QSL, the 1 India Western PA, 73, copy our 2 Hotel Sierra Charlie, QSL.
QSL.
The November 3, ending Quebec.
What is he, 2 Hotel?
Slight change of a tire. Perfect. Okay, so Winter Field Day 2022. We are officially done. Made about, how many would you say?
About 35 contacts.
35 contacts. Both these guys, first voice contacts of HF entirely with their new general license. Congratulations to you guys for that.
Well, thank you. Thank you.
Yeah, so they had a lot of fun, I think. What would you guys say? Favorite thing?
40 meters.
40 meters.
160 meters.
160 meters.
160
where was that
meters.
contact that you made?
Rhode Island.
Who was that?
Friend of mine, Robert Chili, up there in Rhode Island, KB1 AAW.
There you go. KB1 AAW. All right. Well, we'll give a shout out to him, let him know, and thank you for all that made contact with us. And hopefully we'll get you confirmed on here, and you guys can see this video and see who you were talking to. Crazy Misfits of Ham Radio.
Yes, I'm KC3RTU. KC3RTO.
KB3ICU. And we'll see you.